did that. What up?
How is two people gonna go live that don't even understand how to use it?
My bestie, listen, I don't know. This is the first time I'm going live with somebody else. I have no clue. Bestie, how you look so good?
That was how I was born from my mom.
Listen, I tried to wear blue, but it's the wrong color blue.
Yes, this is the wrong shade of blue. You got to make sure that you are in the right shade of blue on Friday.
Yes, listen. I'm a switch it up.
Okay.
Oh my
I
God.
wanted to give them some information because a lot of people have been in my DM and they're asking me, what is the event like? I know that you have more information, so I just wanted to brief the besties so that they can get a better understanding as what's happening this Friday is it Miami or Fort Lauderdale?
Fort Lauderdale. So listen.
You know me call everywhere Miami, so it's Fort Lauderdale.
Everybody's from Miami. Everybody's from Miami.
Right.
So let's give everybody the history, right? So 2016, I got elected in a city called Tamarack in Broward County, and then so when I got elected in Tamarack, I was the first Black anything to be elected in that community. Worse, I was the first Jamaican, right? So every year since then, right, I wanted to show Jamaican culture to everybody, because say Jamaicans, when we go anywhere, we take over the world. So ever since then, we want to show our culture to everybody. So you now are the first one since getting elected in 2016 that we will give an amalgamation of keys. What that mean now? An amalgamation of keys mean all these elected officials from all over Broward County and Miami-Dade is coming together to make this the biggest key that they've ever given to anybody.
Wait, say that again. We have to repeat and talk slow. Talk very slow so them can hear. You have to talk slow so the besties are listening. You're saying, go again.
So now, an amalgamation of keys mean that all these elected officials from Miami-Dade County, from Broward County, all the way up to Palm Beach County coming together to give a key to the region, the biggest thing ever. We're not talking about no key to the city. That's too little. You understand? That's too small, bestie.
Come outside and carry. I'm going to run outside and talk about this. But I'm going to run outside from the highway and talk about this. This is a very big thing. This is not a small thing, Marlon.
Yeah.
From a Jamaican to a Jamaican who come to America and we're doing big things. Yep. We have to let people know this is not a small thing.
Exactly.
This is a very big thing. You said this has never been done before.
Never been done. So when I told people, right, I want to do a key to the city for Spice, right? Everybody was like, but I want to do a key to the city too. So we were like, how we gonna give all these keys to the city? That don't make no sense. So everybody was like, let's give her the keys to the region, where everybody comes together, have one big key and sign on the key. So listen, the thing turn up so till it's like
it's a very big thing.
Very big thing.
An extremely big thing.
Trust me. You can't flop and mash up.
Marlon, thank you so much. Like, it means a lot to me. And as the queen coming out of Jamaica and as a Black woman, right. I want to keep my speech for Friday, but I just wanted to personally say to you, thank you so much. It means a lot to me. I'm super honored. I'm grateful. I'm humbled. I'm gleeful. And I'm happy to know that I'm able to do this as the first person to be receiving such an honor. It gives me great pleasure so that I can show my peers and other people that it's possible to come here and kick down doors and these barriers and create these historical moments. Exactly. And so I want to encourage everybody to come out, even if you're there Even if you don't live in Miami, or even if you don't live in Florida, I want you to come celebrate this moment with me. The link is in my story bio. All you have to do is click on it and get a table. You know, a lot of people want to get the VIPs, but you don't have to. You can get the small table if you want. But we want to also encourage people to get the look of 500 tables, so the commissioner don't have to go in his pocket or into the people their money.
Listen, we are make sure say everything is big and amazing. So a lot of people have been asking you, and a lot of people have been asking me, how does one get tickets? So I'll just make it easy for everybody. If you want to get, so there are 3 levels of tickets. You can either come and sit in the theater section with no food, no drinks, that's just a seat, or you sit in the theater section as a VIP with drinks, no food, or you sit at a table with food, drinks,
everybody, I rub your shoulder on big people. I meet the mayor them. Look here.
Listen.
The besties them are going to come out. They're going to come and celebrate this moment because, like I said, it's a very big thing. So besties, click the link in the bio and grab yourself a seat. This Friday, I am going to be in Fort-Lauderdale celebrating this very enormous big moment. And we're going to celebrate this together. So I want to see everybody come out, come support me in Fort-Lauderdale for the keys to the region.
Let me give them a phone number that they can call so that if they have any issues online or that sort of stuff. So 954-643.
Hold on 1 second. 954.
643 0491.
0491. How do I?
So 954-643-0491. Don't bother ask me how to do it because I don't know how to do it either.
I can't finish.
954.
And I can
643. I'm gonna try it.
I forgot that it was yours. It's your life, so I couldn't pin it. So you pin it.
Okay. So we're learning together. 954-643-0.
To the best of them and type it so you can click on one of our comments and just pin it.
I love the best of them, Mr. Man.
Right.
All right. See their best is 954-643-0491. Good. So anybody want tickets? Listen, if you're coming from New York, come from New York. We have a hotel room for you. If you're coming from Paris, jump from Paris, come to Fort-Lauderdale. We have a room. Understand? So the hotel has rooms. It don't matter where they live. If you are a true bestie, you will come and celebrate Spice Friday night. Everything is about Spice. And listen, wear your blue. Don't be like me in this color blue. We need to be in that color blue.
Bend on the right shade of blue.
Right shade of blue, bestie. Yep, it's gonna be big.
And so, where's the gala is happening in the hotel?
Yeah.
Can you give them the address or the location so they can know how to find it?
All right. So the gala is gonna be at the Marriott Fort-Lauderdale. So Fort-Lauderdale Marriott North. And that is on 6650 North Andrews Avenue. Listen, people, don't bother show up without a ticket. Make sure to get in the ticket before they come. So, should I tell them who else is gonna be there with you? No, don't tell them. Don't. Them a brush the place.
Trust besties. Listen, don't embarrass me. This is not a dance. This is not a party. This is a gala. We're gonna get in a nice frock and put together on ourselves and come out in on a nice evening wear.
Yeah.
You understand?
Yeah.
This is the first time in my entire career I'm going to go somewhere fully dressed.
Yep. Listen.
Fully covered.
Fully covered. Don't wear no nighty cup, please.
together, guys. Click the link in my bio. Grab these seats. Support this historical moment the right way.
Yeah.
Do not stay and just a comment and I say, oh, this is so big, this is great. Support it
Yeah.
the right way. Come out, put on a nice dress. Let's take pictures together. And so you can have this memory with me. Getting the keys to the region from the first time, the first one. It's a very big thing. It's a very big thing. Very big thing.
Yep.
Thank you so much, Marlon. I'm going to go ahead and post the link in my story.
Yeah.
And I'm going to make sure that it's the only one there. So for the entire day, they're going to see the link, what to click, and what seat they want, depending on what seat they want. If they want a table, if I 2 of them, 3 of them. And I'll see you on Friday.
All right, bestie.
Take care. Thank you so much. Have a good day.
All right. Cool.
All right. Bye, besties. I love you. Mwah.